Programming a conductor plate on a 4th generation FBS4 Mercedes-Benz 725 9HP transmissions requires theft authorization and connection using a factory Xentry system, until now. With the iSCAN NX, you can now program a replacement ECU without requiring SOD. This is done using a Y-cable connection to simultaneously read out information from the vehicle and the existing module and write to the replacement. During this process, the old ECU must remain installed and connected to the vehicle. The replacement ECU is installed after the initial programming process is complete. After it is installed, the final programming steps can be performed. Do not install the replacement ECU until the coding process is complete. After coding, programming, and drive authorization transfer is complete, then you will install the replacement conductor plate in the vehicle. Let's take a look at the procedure. Prepare the vehicle for programming. Be sure all power consumers are off, including the windshield wipers. Before beginning, confirm you have a stable internet connection. Always use a wired connection between the VCI and the iSCAN NX when programming. And always connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Auto Detect Vehicle Make. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Powertrain System. Tap Transmission ETC. Tap ECU Replacement Programming SCN Coding. Read and understand message. Tap Enter to continue. In this example, we are installing a new ECU in the vehicle. Tap Yes, a new ECU was purchased. In this example, the original ECU exists. Tap Yes, the original ECU exists. In this example, we are cloning the old ECU. Tap Yes, ECU Clone. Start by disconnecting the OBD2 main cable from the iSCAN NX VCI. Connect the Y junction of the cable to the iSCAN NX VCI. Next, connect the OBD2 16-pin adapter to the longer section of the Y cable. Connect your component cable to the shorter section of the Y cable. The component cable will connect directly to the conductor plate that is replacing the existing ECU. Next, attach a cable from the conductor plate to battery negative. Once the connection is confirmed, tap Enter to continue. Data is being gathered and processed. This will take a few moments. Read and understand message. Tap Enter to start programming. This will take a few moments. Once complete, you will receive a success message. Tap Enter or Exit to end. Next, I will disconnect the Y cable and reinstall the standard 16-pin connector to my VCI. Next, I'll install the replacement ECU and complete the commissioning steps. In the coding menu, I'll jump right to adaptations and perform the selected gear adaptation. Once complete, always double-check fluid level and clear any stored faults. Test drive the vehicle to confirm everything is working as expected. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips for Mercedes-Benz vehicles.